Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your account to a professional account on TikTok. So keep watching this video till the end to know how you can do so. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos. With that said, let's get into the video. So the first thing you can do is head over to the profile section of TikTok and then click on the three lines located on the top right. Again, go to settings and privacy. Now under the account section, you can see an option called manage account. Tap on this option. There you'll see an option for switch to business account. You can tap on this option, then click on next. Now choose your category and then tap next. And that's how easily you can switch your account to a professional or a business account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.